Welcome back to Hoole Country. We're going to talk about some questions on solar. This is a new year. We finally got our shipment in. Join me inside. It's quite cold outside. So come on inside, but first take a look at our windmill and our solar tracker. We'll have another segment of videos where we'll talk about these things. But first join me inside and we'll talk about batteries and inverters. Welcome back. So, it's 2022. And you know what we learned from last year? We learned that there's a lot of questions out there. So here it is. This year we're going to run a series of videos. And hopefully we're going to cover some of these questions off. So first and foremost, if you want to know how to make power from the sunshine and take that sunlight and store it in these little black boxes, and then at nighttime transmit that sunlight all over your house, then you need to press subscribe. If you want to know how to automate this, so in the winter time when you need a generator and it's all automatic, then you need to hit subscribe. If you want to know what is the best inverter, 12 volt, 24 volt, 48 volt, hybrid, modular, then you need to press subscribe. If you want to know what are the best solar panels, Q cells, bifacial, 60 cell, 72 cell, Canadian Solar, or Canadian Tire, well, it all depends on your application. So you need to press subscribe. Well, that's it, folks. Press subscribe. And the next month or two, you'll get some answers.